much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the June Good Vibes Scribe box. Before we get started, I just want to say hi, welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, pretty much a little bit of everything, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers, so we have a big self-care giveaway going on. It's a big thank you to you guys. So if you haven't entered, I will link that in a thumbnail at the end of this video. So let's get back to Good Vibes Scribe. I'm so excited to see what's inside. This box is meant to send good vibes your way. It's all about the positive vibes, and I'm all about that too, and I think we could all use some positive vibes right now. So I am going to link them down below. I believe if you order now, you will get the July box. You won't get what I'm unboxing today, and that's my bad. They did send this to my P.O. box like a week ago, but I didn't pick it up till just yesterday, and I just read the email saying that you had to order by June 7th, so I apologize, but yeah, if you subscribe then it will be a big surprise. So I'm going to leave the link down below along with the promo code, and let's get unboxing. Open up the box. This is what it looks like. So we have card on top, and then there's a little sneak peek of the items. Ooh, they're nice and colorful. So Good Vibes Scribe, sending you good vibes only. June 2020 featured products overview. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about these wonderful gifts you've just received. I love that they support small businesses. And on the inside, they give you a bunch of information. So you do get to customize some items in this box if you become a premium member. Premium members spend $5 more per month, or if you prepay and get like a 6 or 12 month plan, then you get to customize as well. So I'll point out what items are customizable as we go along. I'm just gonna grab this first thing on top. I don't know what this is, but look at this pretty print. This is by Top It Off. Is this like a little like sarong thing? I think so. This is so pretty. So let me find here. Yeah, this is a kimono. So you could have gotten either the sleeveless kimono or the Sloan round beach towel. So obviously we got the kimono. I think this is so cute. So it looks like there are 2 armholes. I'll put this on. Yeah, I think this is adorable. So this is what it looks like. I just had like a white tank top on, so that was perfect just to be able to slide this on. Super cute and perfect for summer. I really like this. So I'll keep this on the rest of the unboxing. I'm glad I opened this one first. So on here, it says, we also received another item from this company. So how about we open that first and then we will get to talking. And then I will read all about it. So unfortunately it looks like mine might have broken a little bit, but we got this beautiful tumbler. And even though a teeny piece broke off the cap, it still works, so that is great. But look how beautiful this tumbler is. And here is the straw that goes along with it. I use stuff like this all the time, and I think this is so pretty. I love the colors. Blue's my favorite color. This is adorable. Straw. So let's talk about this company, Top It Off. So Top It Off started with a simple goal: design fun, fashionable clothing and accessories and offer them at great prices. 15 years later, they're sticking to that formula and loving every second. They're thrilled that you love it too. A lot has changed since we started making ribbon belts. We've grown tremendously, hired a talented and dedicated team of over 30 people to provide you with the best possible service. Be fabulous in this flamingo fun sleeveless kimono. This summer's stylish flamingo on navy, cascading front hem flatters any body type. So it says here for care instructions, machine wash gentle or hand wash and dry flat. And then it says also from Top It Off, a 17-ounce dishwasher safe tumbler in pink sea coral or summer breeze. Keep it cool all summer long with this custom print hard plastic cup with clear lid and straw. And these were customizable choices, so you could have picked either the kimono, which I'm wearing, or you could have gotten a round beach towel, which you could see right there. And then you could have chosen between the 2 colors for the tumbler. I'm really excited about the 2 choices I got. The pink tumbler seems adorable too, but I just love this. And I think this is so cute. And yeah, since it's an open front, I really think this will fit pretty much everyone. Like, I'm not a small person and this fits me just fine. So let's move on to the next item. I think I actually have this already and I do like it. This is by Base Blue and it is a sponge. So they sent me a PR box of items a while ago. Yeah, this feels really nice. They sent me a few different sponges. I'm not sure if it was this one specifically. I thought the one I received before was hard. This one's like super soft and nice, and this obviously is not wet, but it has like a pointed end so you can get up into like your like hard to reach places by your eye and around your nose, and then a soft side and then a round side for the rest of your face. So, Base Blue Cosmetics Air Sponge. Led by a team of beauty-obsessed executives, Base Blue Cosmetics launched in 2018 to be the go-to source for the latest beauty trends and must-have essentials, from applicators to makeup. We value delivering cosmetic products that inspire clients to reveal their own Base Blue beauty while leading the way in makeup innovation and technology. There's always something to make you wonder, and here at Base Blue we aim to impress exploration in pushing a cosmetics line that piques the interest in the beauty community. Use this makeup blending sponge to flaunt your best makeup techniques and achieve a natural sheer finish effortlessly. The air sponge swells in size when wet to prevent absorption and product waste from primers, foundations, and powder when applied to the sponge. Great. I love getting anything like beauty related in any box, so I think this is amazing. And oh my god, the next item I'm super excited about. So as many of you may know, I'm from Florida. Well, I'm not from there, but I live in Florida now, and it's very sunny. You can kind of tell. It rains sometimes in the summer, but look at my complexion. You can tell I'm all about the SPF, and we just received an SPF product. So this is by Maui Soap Company, and it's their SPF 30 sunscreen lotion. And it says it's oxybenzone free, which is a chemical sunscreen that some people are sensitive to, but this also is chemical sunscreen. So the chemical sunscreens in here are avobenzone and oxalate, if I'm saying that right. But yeah, I could always use more sunscreen, wear it every single day, and you should too, even if it's not sunny where you live. It's important. So this sunscreen is by Maui Soap Co. And Maui Soap Co. is built on the tropical beaches of Maui by a husband and wife with a dream to reinvent the old-fashioned bar soap by improving its formula using sustainably sourced Hawaiian ingredients and amazing tropical fragrance. A portion of all sales are donated to wildlife conservation charities as a way to protect the animals we love. When you purchase a product from Maui Soap Co., you not only get a beautiful handcrafted soap, but also help in our mission as a portion of every sale goes to a worthwhile environmental charity. Maui Soap Co. mission is to help save Hawaiian wildlife. 5% of net profits donated to organizations working to protect threatened and endangered species. Enjoy sun protection that will thrill your senses with exotic botanical ingredients and a sensual coconut fragrance. Advanced broad spectrum with UVA and UVB protection, enriched with nourishing coconut oil, shea butter, coconut butter, and vitamin E, paraben-free, PABA-free, PETO-free, 100% vegetarian and cruelty-free, airline and travel-friendly, and oxybenzone-free and octinoxate-free for reef safety. Oh, that's what it is. So people can be really sensitive to chemical sunscreens. You're more likely to have an allergy to that, but I didn't know what chemical sunscreens were specifically known to cause reef damage, but apparently it's oxybenzone and octinoxate, if I'm saying it right, which is good to know. But yeah, I am super happy to have this, and I currently am working on another sunscreen, but when I'm ready I will open this one. But actually I'm just gonna open it now because it'll be used soon, and I want to get a sniff of it so it's coconut scented. I'll just put a little bit on my hand. Doesn't leave a white cast, but again, I'm very white naturally, so. It smells like sunscreen, but also a little bit like coconut. Like if you don't like the sunscreen scent, I think you will enjoy this. So yeah, totally happy to get this in our box. Next up, looks like we have a lip balm here, and it's called Rose All Day. It's a moisturizing lip balm with shea butter. I love the name of it, and cute packaging as well. So this is by Primal Elements. It's SPF 15 lip balm, and this is another item you could customize if you're a premium member or you pay for 6 or 12 months at a time. And you could have picked between Rosé All Day, which we obviously have here, Tahitian Vanilla, or Llama. And it says, Faith and Scott Freeman, founders of Primal Elements, initially owned a bath, body, and aromatherapy shop in Belmont Shore, California. In 1993, due to the difficulty of obtaining unique soaps for their store, they started designing creative handmade soaps in a class of their own. The husband and wife team's entrepreneurial leadership has enabled Primal Elements to become the trend-setting manufacturer it is today and the innovator of tomorrow. Primal Elements is committed to protecting our environment and using renewable resources. Primal Elements bath and body care products are high quality, effective, and are based on caring sound environmental practices. Their products are not tested on animals and contain no animal ingredients. Pure essential oils and natural botanicals are replenishable resources. They are packaged in recyclable containers, and they encourage their customers to reuse or recycle their containers. This ultra-rich lip balm formula nourishes, pampers, and protects your lips from the sun while leaving behind a trace of flavor. Primal Elements SPF 15 lip balm is available in a 0.16 ounce twist top tube, convenient for both purse and pocket. Now I have to take a sniff of this. So it is sealed. It smells really good. Nice. I will definitely get some use out of this. I love that it has SPF in it, of course. But we have one item left. Oh, and this is so cute. Look, there's a sea turtle on it. I recently saw some sea turtles when I was out like a week or two ago. So cute. I think I put it on an Instagram story and I saved it in my highlight for like, it's like, has a palm tree or something. It's like Florida highlights. But this is the Wet It Efficiency with Style, perfect for any clean job. Oh, I love these. So this is like one of those reusable paper towels, and look how cute it is. And on the back it says, dishwasher safe, machine washable, bleach when needed. It's made from 70% cellulose and 30% cotton. And it absorbs 16 times its weight and lasts more than 6 months. So this is a great alternative to paper towels. And this is another item you could have customized. There's 3 different prints you could have chosen from. You can see right there. There's like a llama, a flamingo, and the turtle. I love all of them, and I'm totally happy with this turtle. It's so cute. So it says on here, the Wet It Swedish dishcloths. Our business adventure began in 2009 when I surprisingly realized that the super absorbent sponge cloths I used during my years growing up in Sweden were not a common commodity in US homes. After earning my business degree, I, along with my husband, saw the opportunity to penetrate the US market with these unique, high-quality cloths. In just a few short years, we have been met with an overwhelming response from retailers as well as consumers. They all love our product. Our in-house designer prints are water-based and the cloth is 100% decomposable. We know our products will be a perfect complement to you as they deliver efficiency with style. The Wet It team and I are delighted to have the opportunity to serve you. And it's signed Matilda Davies, CEO. I love this, so cute, and I've used similar things before and they work really well. You guys, I think this was such a great month. So, of course, we got this here, and then we got this kimono, which is so cute, and our tumbler, SPF, lip balm, and a makeup sponge. I think this is so great. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And again, I'm sorry I didn't open this sooner. I will link Good Vibes Scribe down below. I feel like this box definitely sent good vibes my way. I always feel happy after unboxing it. I hope you guys are happy watching me unbox it. Thank you for being here and helping me unbox this. I guess, you know, you're kind of helping. You're here in spirit. But anyways, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.